my guest, Raman Malik, who is joining us on the broadcast. Mr. Raman Malik, how's the Haryana government even explaining this? I mean, I would have thought after the outrage we have seen, they would do a U-turn and say, okay, galti ho gayi. We didn't do a background check. Our institutional memory is very weak. Humko pata nahi tha. We made a mistake. We are cutting out his name. We don't want a law officer like this, at least until he is acquitted. But the Haryana government has also done nothing about it.
Is it against the service rule book? Shreya, is it against the service rule book?
Well, no. In that case, why don't we make Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? That is not against the rule book either, because he's not been convicted in anything.
That is an internal decision of the party, whether they make him or not.
Nice.
And that too, Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh has not been convicted, number one. Number two, those people who created the circus are also under question, wwhether they were doing it for political motive or whether
Malik,
they were doing it
is
for
there
other
something called moral responsibility?
Please, please.
Is there something, Mr. Malik, called moral responsibility?
So let's just listen out. 2006, what was Mr. Rahul Gandhi? A member of parliament. What was the case against him? Sukanya Devi. How could you tolerate that? Why was your Atma not awakened that time who are accusing of this boy now? It is a shameful thing.
Mr. Raman Malik, don't take everything to Rahul Gandhi. No, what is shameful? I want to ask you, what is shameful? A man who's a BJP MP's son being picked as a law officer in Haryana, someone who's facing charges. Mr. Malik, sun lijiye. You and I know each other for a very long time. Sun lijiye. What is shameful? Tell me. Is it or is it not shameful that a state like Haryana that keeps saying Beti Bachao, picks someone who is accused as a stalker and a kidnapper by an IAS officer's daughter as a law officer in the state?
First of all, I feel
is that or is that not shameful? It is not against the law, but is it or is it not against your morality?
Of you, Shreya, from you especially, I have known you for a long time, and you are a very seasoned, respectable journalist who understands the veracity and the essence of the emotion at that particular time when you are putting up anything. So, my question to you is, does the girl who's been said is a victim, she becomes special if she's the IAS officer's daughter? No. Every daughter is special because she's a daughter. So this notion that she's an IAS officer's daughter, or it is a judge's daughter, or it is an MLA's daughter, or it is so-and-so's daughter does not hold any value. Value holds is she's a daughter, she was stopped. It is a case. That case is going on in the court. Does the service rule book allow it? Does the constitution of this nation allow it? The same very constitution which Mr. Gandhi takes out and shows like this, or the India Alliance, or their spokesperson, or their lawyers. If that is the case, you cannot say that the constitution is applicable for protest, but the constitution is not applicable for implementation.
Okay.
That is my submission.
Okay.
And
Abha
if
Singh.
that is the case, Mr. Surjewala is a lawyer. Madam herself sitting over here, she has been a very old associate, and I treat her as a sister to me, that she should file a case in the Honorable Haryana and Punjab High Court and take it to a task that this law should be amended. That if there's any one case which is a person is accused in, such as this case, or the one that was there at 2006 Sukanya Devi, that person neither should be allowed to become AG.
No, the Haryana government will not change its mind. The Haryana government will not change its mind, but the opposition, you say, should go to court and ensure that Vikas Barala is not made a law officer. Advocate Mahima Singh, the challenge is to you. I'll let you respond in 20 seconds. By now, go to court.
You see, Shreya, what does an assistant advocate general do? Represent the state in legal matters and fight for the cause of justice for whom? state versus so and so when a rape is committed, when an outrage is committed. That is where the AAG stands. And imagine an under trial going for that. And in this case, Shreya, let me remind the BJP spokesperson and your viewers, the man was arrested on the spot in action and was only released under political pressure, only to be arrested again, only for his bail to be rejected 4 times before it was finally granted. This is the government that bats for Ram Rahim, let me remind once again.
Rahul Gandhi.
Everything is not about Rahul Gandhi, na?
Was he arrested?
Rahul Gandhi ke bhi beyond duniya hai.
Accused of raping. And
the BJP needs to realize that every discussion cannot have Rahul Gandhi making a case for you, please. Sir, Rahul Gandhi kahan se beech mein aa gaya? Abha Singh, please go ahead. You have just heard the arguments from Mr. Raman Malik and Mr. Memon. The constitution allows it, the rule allows it. हमने तो सारा काम by the book किया है.
बिल्कुल by the book नहीं हुआ है, because if you go by it, I would like to tell them there are do's and don'ts. In fact, Haryana government itself took out a circular where it said, fine. It said that if there is a trial going on and you're not convicted, then you're eligible. But that same circular said that if you are facing issues of moral turpitude, you will not be considered. So is this not moral turpitude? In 2025, Supreme Court in a specific order has denied gratuity and pension in cases of moral turpitude. And I think my learned friends would like to go into it. That is stalking, is abducting, trying to abduct a girl. And let me tell you, it is very sad that today people say that this girl was trying to fake this case. There was this channel which everybody called Nation Wants to Know had put on CCTV footage. We all must have sat in those channels and talked about it. And after that, he was arrested. So let us not say that the trial is going on and he's clean. Moral turpitude is very important. And on grounds of moral turpitude, justice should not only appear to be done, but it should also be seen to be done. And today we are showing that an abductor, till the time he doesn't come clean, he has no moral turpitude, moral basis to be the AAG of Haryana. This is very important. The message goes that if people like these are going to sit on important positions, girls are not going to be safe in this country. We are still reeling under the shock of Radhika Yadav, the way she was brutally murdered. That happened in Haryana. So I think I would request through your channel, hats off to you, Shreya, that you have taken up this issue. People in this country are scared to speak. No, moral turpitude, please go and look into it. The Supreme Court has clearly said that you don't get a passport if you have an FIR in this country. You don't get a passport if you have an FIR in this country. How you are becoming a AAG is my question to you.
Raman Malik,
जब आदमी नीले ड्रम में मिलता है तब आबा जी को कोई पीड़ा नहीं होती. That is okay. But the point is, if it is away
this story is not about men's rights or women's rights. This story is about what is wrong and what is right, Raman Malik. Even you know what is wrong and what is right.
She is a capable lawyer. Both the lady panelists here.
I will go to Supreme Court if you are
folded hand. If you find it that it is against the service rule, please go to the court to a lawyer.
There you are. Abha Singh is a lawyer. She's saying she will go to the Supreme Court. My point is, Mr. Malik, chalo, as I said, there is, institutional memory is very short in this country. The BJP government in Haryana could have gotten away by saying, we forgot, we didn't know, we made a mistake, we are dropping him. This is not the man we want representing us in court. They have stuck to their guns. Would they have stuck to their guns if this man wasn't the son of a sitting BJP MP? Sir?
I am not talking
आप
about
कह रहे हैं
the
ना
son.
that it's not only girls who are special. Boys are special too. हमारे देश में boys are extra special. That is the problem.
अरे वो तो इंडिया अलायंस के लोग बोलते हैं ना वो लड़के हैं लड़कों से गलती हो गई. लेकिन मैं तो ये पूछ रहा हूँ जो सिटिंग एमपी है उसके ऊपर 2006 में आरोप था और वो 2006 का आरोप में वो युवराज थे. पॉइंट ये है that what service rule books have said and what is being broken.
But you were supposed to be better, na? If you are saying Congress has a terrible track record when it comes to women's safety, etc., the BJP was supposed to be better. That is what you promised the people of this country.
We are in
क्या
Rome, we
हुआ?
are fighting Romans. The situation is such that
Is
the control
this
of
Beti
the
Bachao
opposition-
Haryana style, sir? Please answer
हरियाणा में
that.
बेटी सुरक्षित है, कर्नाटका में नहीं है।
हाँ,
कर्नाटका में नहीं है, हरियाणा में सुरक्षित है।
प्रज्वल रेवन्ना है जिसे आप जर्मनी भगा देते हैं।
Two wrongs don't make a right, Mr. Malik. Go